Hi, my name's Judson Burden. I'm the president of asphalt.kingdom.com. We've designed melter applicators to allow you to have an easy time filling cracks on your projects. Are you tired of bending over and filling cracks with 1-gallon bottles of liquid pour crack filler that lasts for just 6 months? You can now use a contractor grade unit to melt and apply crack filler at walking speed, all while saving a bunch of money and having the product hold up to more than 8 seasons ahead. Asphalt is everywhere, and so are asphalt cracks. Leaving cracks unfilled means that water gets in, erodes the foundation, and causes further damage. You'll see more potholes, and you'll see more depressions, and then you'll see the cracks widening up and spidering off. Filling cracks has now become easy. You can now melt and apply hot pour crack filler at walking speed. We've worked with churches, hotels, hospitals, medical facilities, airports, and we understand what it is to be able to go to a project and start to do the maintenance work that's required to protect your investment. We understand that you want to increase the aesthetic value of your property, all while keeping your costs down. These machines will allow you to do that. Being able to apply crack filler at walking speed means that you can now save money. Imagine every step that you were taking, you were saving $1. You can save 300 to 400% by doing these projects yourself. With you as the property owner or manager in mind, we've done a few different things. One is we've built quality machines so that they're reliable and allow you to get the job done right. The second thing is we teach you how to apply the material through our online guides and courses. We also ship them directly to your door hassle-free. So when you receive the machine, you can get out and start maintaining your parking lots, all without having to go through a big, steep learning curve. Everybody's pushed a lawnmower. These melter applicators are no different. Very easy to push, and you'll be filling cracks at walking speed in no time. Check out our online calculators and determine how much money you can save by doing your projects yourself.